Today I will teach Geography chapter 1st, Size and Location. Now the first heading is your location. India is a vast country lying entirely in the northern hemisphere, 8 degree 4 minute north and 37 degree 6 minute north, and longitude 68 degree 7 minute east and 97 degree 25 minute east. The Tropic of Cancer, 23 degree 30 minute north, divides the country into almost two parts, to the southeast and southwest of the mainland, and Tropic of Cancer divided into 8 states passes into 8 states: Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram. The Andaman and Nicobar Island lies in the Bay of Bengal, and Lakshadweep Island lies in the Arabian Sea. The southernmost point of the Indra Point got submerged under the seawater in 2004 during the tsunami. Students, you know the Tropic of Cancer? The Tropic of Cancer is the imaginary parallel of latitudes which is supposed to be drawn parallel to the equator. It passes through the middle of our country. You know latitude and longitudes? So students, now the latitudes means these are the reference lines, like these lines. Latitude means these lines. These are the reference lines that are horizontal, that run throughout the globe. This line is a latitude. Latitude means latitude line. And they run parallel to each other. They are 180 in numbers. They are used to know about the climate at any place. Same as now the longitude. Longitude means now this line is a longitude. These are reference lines that are vertical and run throughout the globe. They are not parallel to each other. They are 360 in numbers, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and they are used to calculate the time of a place. Now the next heading is size. The landmass of India has an area of 3.28 million square kilometer. India's total area accounts for about 2.4% of the total geographical area of the world. India is the 7th largest country of the world after Russia, Canada, USA, China, Brazil and Australia. India has a land boundary means all over these land boundaries of about 15,200 kilometer. And the total length of the coastline means like these line as a coastline. Coastline of the mainland including Andaman and Nicobar Island and Lakshadweep Island is 7,516.6 kilometer. India is bounded by the Yangfold mountain in the northwest. Northwest means northwest. Mountain in the northwest and north and northeast. And the latitudinal and longitudinal extent. Latitudinal means latitudinal and longitudinal extent of the mainland about 30 degree, means the difference about 30 degree. So students, now the north value, how the difference extent is a 30 degree. So the north value, you know, 8 degree 4 minute has been given and 37 degree 6 minute. So now the subtract. So our result is coming as a 29 degree 2 minute east. Same as now the 60 west east line, like a 68 degree 7 minute and 97 degree 25. Now the subtract, your answer is 29 degree 2 minute. Like now equal both of you. So that's why is our now the mainland is about extent 30 degree above 30 degree. So that's why now the latitudinal and longitudinal extent of mainland is about 30 degree. South of about 22 degree north latitude, it began to taper. You know now, India is now in the southern areas now the taper, some areas a taper, 22 degree north taper in the Indian Ocean, because now this side Arabian Sea and this side now the Bay of Bengal, and the Indian Ocean now the southern side. Dividing it into two seas, the Arabian Seas on the western side and the Bay of Bengal on the eastern side. From Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, means Gujarat lies in the western side and Arunachal Pradesh lies in the eastern side. Like in this map. So from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, there is a time lag of 2 hours. Why? Because India is situated from west to east in about 30 longitudes. You know now in the previous topic, 30 degree stand, it takes 4 minutes to cross a 1 longitudes. Means 1 degree channel passes. Now the taken time is 4 minutes. So 30 into 4 equal then 120 minutes and 120 minutes equal then 2 hours. So that's why from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh there is a time lag of 2 hours. But in order to avoid this problem, and we have chosen 82 degree 30 minute east as a standard meridian, and its local time is taken as standard throughout the country. What is the standard time? Means when the local time of a meridian or longitudes is taken as a time. Longitude means longitudes. So when the local time of a meridian or longitudes is taken as a time for the whole country, it's called the standard time of that country. And the standard meridian of India is 82 degree 30 minute east, and it passes through Mirzapur, UP. In the UP, Mirzapur, UP. Thank you.